Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the part 13 of Python tutorials for kids playlist. In this video we'll be learning how to convert Python to exe file, that is application. So if you had not watched my previous video, go and watch it. In the previous video we learned about turtle graphics in Python. If you have not visited the Python tutorials for kids playlist, go and visit it. I'll provide the playlist link in the description box. So without wasting time, let's start. So let us start our video. I have opened a website called pypi.org. So this is the official package website in which you can find packages and you can get all the commands to install packages. Such as I want to search a turtle module. So turtle, I get turtle 0.02 and I get all the descriptions and all the commands of turtles here. So for now I'm going to use a module called autopy2exe. So this will convert Python to exe file. So I'll open this link, and as you can see here there is image. So this is the image of the window that we are going to use to convert Python to exe file. So this exe, this autopy2exe uses Py installer, so you can also convert the Python to exe using Py installer, but I'm using autopy2exe because it is very easy to use. So this is the command to install autopy2exe. So to install it, I will open cmd, that is command prompt, and I'll write pip install autopy2exe, and now it starts installing. So I have already installed and uninstalled this module, so it installs so quickly. But if you are installing this for the first time, it will take some time to install. So to use this module you have to use autopy2exe command in command prompt. So if you are not familiar with command prompt, you can also use GitHub to install. So all the code is available in GitHub, as you can see here. So now I'll type the command autopy2exe, and this has opened a separate window for me. So this is the window which helps us to convert Python to exe file. So there are lots of options here, such as custom icons, additional files, advanced, and settings. So if you want a directory or a file, so directory means you will get all the files in a folder, and one file means you will get a single file in which all the application is written. And you can also select console based or window. So console based will give results in console, and window based means it will give results in a separate window. So here it shows the command of Py installer. If you run this command in cmd, then you will get the same results as this app's use. So for now I'll select one directory and I will select the quiz game application, and it has changed the file location. So for now I'll select one directory and console based, because we have not created any app using Python yet now. So I'm going to console based. So you can also add custom icon here. So I have downloaded an icon from net and I'll use it. You can also add additional files, additional folders, but now I'll not add any additional files. So you can also add names. So I'll leave this blank. So I will give this output. I want these folders in a separate applications, and I'll save this folder. So now if we click convert.py2exe, then this starts converting py2exe. So now this folder is empty and it will be filled with content when the conversion finishes. So now the conversion finishes, and you can also open the output folder, and if you don't want this code you can clear the output. So I'll clear the output right now, and now if I open the quiz game, I get an application with my custom icon. So I'll zoom it a bit, and this is the application we created right now. So if I run the application, I get the result in the console window here. So if you want a window, you can select the window based instead of console window. So if I enter my name, this will start working. So this will start working, and you can write all the answers. So for I'll select the one file now, and if I start converting, I'll get the result in only one file. So I get result in only a single file with default icon. So I have not selected any icon here as I clear the output. So now if I run the module, the code, I get the same result as I got in content folder. So this is of 6.68 MB, and this folder is of 13.4 MB. So one file takes less space than content folder. So this is how we can convert Python to EXE file. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, then share to friends, and don't forget to subscribe, go to Niranjan too. So if you have not visited the Python tutorials for this playlist, go and visit it. I'll provide the playlist link in the description box. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.